Work orders are used for service tasks. In them, you can assign a technician, mark labor hours, take notes, and assign images. To start a new work order, click on Add Work Order in the top right-hand side of the Work Order section. You are first prompted with selecting a customer that the work order will be assigned to. Use the drop-down box and start typing the customer name or phone number to search. Once the customer is assigned, you will be presented with a blank work order form. The top left is a summary of the customer information and work order information. The Properties section in the top middle is used to add descriptions about the item being worked on or whatever works best for your company. On the top right, you have the Image section to attach images to the work order. These images are stored in the cloud. The middle right has a Notes section that will print on the work order. Bottom right is internal comments that are only visible on the screen and are not printed anywhere. The middle section, you can add technicians to and track their labor hours. Big section on the left is used to add inventory items and/or service charges that are in your product list. To add a technician, use the labor drop-down list. All employees currently assigned to the location will show up in this list. Once selected, it will prompt you to enter the labor hours for that technician. Once added, you can always increase or decrease the labor hours. When you click on Work Order in the top middle of the work order, it will print a statement. This can be letter size, or 40 columns for a receipt printer depending on what type of printer is set up to be used. Save and close once work order statement is printed, then update work order if its rendered service is complete to be tendered.